Hi friends, welcome to the Flower Ranch. Today we are learning how to plant two kinds of flowers, annuals and perennials. Annual flowers are the sprinters of the garden world bee. They grow fast, bloom big, and bring instant color. Even if they only stay for one season, they're perfect when you want a bold, beautiful pop of color. Hey, they have come back.
Ooh. Yes, that's because these are perennials.
And they come back every year. Annuals like to grow close together. Perennials need room to grow big. You can have both, fast color now, and flowers for years.
You can plant annuals and perennials in your garden.
Do we know the difference between annuals and perennials now? Tell us in the comments.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see y'all next time at the Flower Ranch.